Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of mushroom farming, where we'll explore the strategies for success in this thriving and fascinating industry. Whether you're a seasoned farmer looking to diversify your crops or an emergent entrepreneur seeking a sustainable and profitable venture, mushroom farming holds incredible promise. Join us as we delve into the secrets of cultivating these remarkable mushrooms and uncover the strategies that will set you on the path to success. Today, we're going to explore the ins and outs of mushroom farming, from choosing the right species to harvesting your first crop. So, let's get started. Before anything else, you need to understand the different mushroom species. There are hundreds of varieties, but some of the most popular ones include oyster, shiitake, and white button mushrooms. Each type has unique growing requirements and flavor profiles, so research and choose the one that suits your climate and market demand. Once you've selected your mushroom species, it's time to set up your mushroom farm. Here's the following materials what you need. Growing medium for mushrooms grows on substrates like straw, wood chips, or compost. Make sure it's clean and free from contaminants. Spawn. This is the mushroom equivalent of seeds. You'll need to purchase or create mushroom spawn to kickstart your crop. Growing environment. Mushrooms thrive in cool, dark, and humid conditions. You may need a controlled environment or a suitable outdoor location. Remember, pristine condition is crucial in mushroom farming to prevent contamination. Now, let's talk about the cultivation process. Mushroom cultivation involves several stages: inoculation, mixing of spawn with the substrate and packing it into containers; incubation, allowing the mycelium to colonize the substrate. Keep it in a dark, warm place during this phase; transferring the containers to a cooler, well-illuminated area to encourage mushroom formation. The timing and conditions are critical, so monitor humidity, temperature, and light carefully. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for harvesting your mushrooms, gently twist or cut the mushrooms at the base to avoid damaging the mycelium. Be sure to harvest them when they're at their peak freshness. Once you've harvested, you can sell them fresh or dried, turning your passion into a profitable venture. Mushroom farming can be challenging, but with the right knowledge, you can overcome obstacles. Some common problems like contamination, pests, and temperature fluctuations are common issues. Maintaining cleanliness and having a backup plan can help you deal with them effectively. Mushroom farming offers a promising avenue for agricultural success, providing numerous economic and environmental benefits. With the strategies discussed in this video, aspiring mushroom growers can embark on a path to prosperity. By focusing on factors such as substrate preparation, environmental control, and market research, a grower can ensure a successful mushroom farming venture. Advancements in technology, increased consumer demand for fresh and exotic mushrooms, and ultimately contributing to the growth and sustainability of the mushroom farming sector. Cultivating dreams through mushroom farming. Together, we can make a difference. For more updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.